fuck? The fuck? This nigga just brake checked me. Start the video right here at the stop sign. POV ZL1. You could have turned right there. That's crazy. Rolling back, rolling back, rolling back. What the fuck? What the fuck are you doing? Could have literally turned so many times. That's crazy. You talking about come tomorrow? Black on black Camaro, bitch on speed, and the fuck? You are crazy these days. Oh, she doing my mom here now. Black on black Camaro, bitch on speed, and can't really even shift for real cause my pinky, I just got surgery on my pinky. I'm gonna do a little pull right here. Downshifts. That acting rev match is crazy, man. Still recording? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I missed this car, brother. So a car right here. Is that her? Oh no, that's her. I'm doing late night POV also. I like late night POVs. Fuck. The fuck? This nigga just brake checked me. That slow ass Audi. Fuck you brake checking for? The fuck? Nigga just brake checked me. Well, I think they was stopping hard, but I don't know what the fuck they was doing, but gotta be her right in front of me then, or the fuck? That's why I hate driving in a city. brake checker for that slow ass Audi. Sell that bitch, mama. The fuck? Got me hot. Slow ass Audi. Got me motherfucking hot, mama. Hey, that is her. What? Huh? I think she's trying to rev it. That's crazy. Still recording though? Yes sir, yes sir. Hopefully y'all see all this like real good. But I'm about to get a facial pause from my my little sister. She in hair school and stuff, so she about to do the little facial thing, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I'm just cruising today. Look, cruising today with a little Hellcat right there. Okay. But yeah, I mean, I'm almost there. Almost there. Going to Chicago tomorrow actually too, so that's gonna be a good road trip, man. So it's gonna be a little decent, man. Actually, I'll probably end the video right here because I'm literally about to pull up. As you can see, I'm 2 minutes away. I'm gonna just end the video right here, and if y'all want more of these videos, let me know. Comment below, whatever. And if I get like 20 likes, I'm gonna do another video like this. Actually, I'll give y'all a look. I'll leave it on. I think I'm here. Catch y'all in a minute. Catch y'all in another video actually. So subscribe to your boy. I'm out, man.